Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the correct way to reset a GE Adora dishwasher. So if your dishwasher is stuck, if it is not responding or showing any flashing lights, this should help you get it back to normal. So first of all, let's just start with a quick control reset. So make sure that first of all the dishwasher is powered on. Afterwards, you just have to look for the start button or the reset button on it. So you just have to press the start button or the reset button once. Now close the door right away. On GE Adora models, this usually begins a cancellation and drain the cycle. So you will hear the dishwasher start removing the water. You just have to wait for 90 seconds for the reset process to finish. If the controls still look frozen, you can perform a power reset. In it, you just have to go to your home's circuit breaker. Then you just have to first of all switch off the power to the dishwasher. Now you need to leave it off for about 1 minute, and then you just have to turn the breaker back on. So what this is going to do is it is going to refresh the control board and it will clear the minor software issues. So if your dishwasher is stuck mid-cycle, you can try this particular reset. In it, you just have to simply open the door of your dishwasher slightly. Afterwards, you just have to simply press the start or the reset button and then close the door. So this forces the system to exit the current program. So you can try all of these reset methods and see if it is working for you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.